The Cuban Missile Crisis was a tension-filled 13 days between the USSR and the United States in the year 1962. America had missiles in Turkey intended as a deterrent against a possible Soviet invasion of either Germany or another NATO nation. Turkey shared a border with two Soviet republics, so it was in the perfect location. After the failed Bay of Pigs invasion, both Castro and his supporters were angry. A politician named Khrushchev decided to put missiles in Cuba with an agreement with Fidel Castro for two main reasons. The first, it would boost the Soviet Union's power, and the second, it would bolster the Soviet Union's bargaining position as it wanted to force West Berlin to join East Germany. The only problem was that a spy plane flying over Cuba then noticed these missiles. JFK then responded to the matter.
It shall be the policy of this nation to regard any nuclear missile launched from Cuba against any nation in the Western Hemisphere as an attack by the Soviet Union on the United States.
JFK then set up a quarantine line, or at least this is what he called it. He did not call it a blockade because a blockade is an act of war, and America did not want to initiate or instigate a war with the USSR if it was not 100% needed. For days, America stood in silence, waiting who would do the next move. Fear of a possible nuclear annihilation between the USSR and the United States was at hand. Fortunately, both the USSR and America decided to come to an agreement. The USSR promised to scrap the bases at Cuba as well as the missiles if America would do the same in Turkey, and both sides in agreement. Thus ended the Cuban Missile Crisis as known today.